Welcome once again to English session. In the last video, I sent you the lesson of David Copperfield Goes to School. We discussed how that David's aunt motivated him to go to school, and how she took a trip to Canterbury and met the Wickfield, one of the great lawyer. So he helped them to get a good boarding school. Since the school was good but there was no boarding, he offered to keep David in his house, and will be going to aunt's house at the weekends. Weekdays he will be staying in Dr. Wickfield's house. So Mr. Wickfield also introduced David to her daughter Agnes, and they were studying in the same school. And then afterwards, how Agnes also proved to be helpful to the David. So we will continue from there. I was also very uncomfortable at Mr. Wickfield's house. He was very comfortable because Wickfield treated him very nicely, that we knew in the last video. The only thing that worried me, means David, was the queer ways of Uriah Heep. Uriah Heep was the man who opened the door when David went with her aunt. David went with his aunt. The way he secretly kept a watch on everyone, means he was like a spy. He used to watch everyone. Even Agnes was little uneasy in his presence. Means Agnes felt somewhat means she was uneasy. Means अच्छा नहीं लगता था उसको. 7 years went past in this way. In this way, they studied for 7 years. He studied his good days in the boarding school. In the school, means the school was very good. He became scholar in that school. Because you see in page number 119, it is written, I proved to be a good scholar and was soon popular with other boys as well as my master. Dr. Strong was engaged in writing a dictionary in his free time. Our head boy jokingly informed me that at the rate the doctor was working, it would take 1649 years to complete the dictionary. Means it was to show that he was very slow. And now 7 years went like that. They studied, and now Agnes had become his good friend. Whose good friend? David's. She was no longer a child but a gentle and tender-hearted young woman. Now she has become turned from girl to woman. She would guide me by giving suggestions and advice. I talked to her about everything, about my school, about my dreams, my desires, everything you used to talk. I shared all my feelings and thoughts with her. So this was one of the best story presented by Charles Dickens. We also discussed about Charles Dickens, how he has written Oliver Twist, one of the, and friends, all the stories written by Charles Dickens are unforgettable and means convey some meaning or the other, and they are heart touching. So to say, they are heart touching. So they are very well written. He was a very good English writer and novelist. We also, children, discussed about glossary, I think so. Now we will be moving to question and answers. Please pay attention. 121. You people now, you don't pay attention, and then you will be asking me 101 time how to write the notes, what to do. So please, now I am reading the question. As soon as the question is over, I will be telling you the answer. That will be the answer. You have to note it down. Now your time begins now. Why did Miss Trotwood decided to send David Copperfield to school? Now the answer is Miss Trotwood decided to send David Copperfield to school. Everything is in the question. मिस से लेके स्कूल तक लिखना है. Because to complete his education. ओवर. समझ में आई बात? अब और एक बार आंसर मैं रिपीट कर रही हूँ. Miss Trotwood decided to send David Copperfield to school to complete his education. That's all. Second question. How was her decision received by David? David was very happy on her decision. This is the answer. Let me repeat. Answer for second question. David was very happy on her decision. Question number 3. Why did Miss Trotwood make a trip to meet Mr. Wickfield? Did it prove to be fruitful? How? Yes, now answer one by one. There are 3 questions, friends, in this. First one is, why did Miss Trotwood make a trip to meet Mr. Wickfield? That we will be answering. Then, did it prove to be fruitful? That, and how? So, answer for first question is, Miss Trotwood made a trip to meet Mr. Wickfield so that he would be able to suggest the best school for David. Second question, did it prove to be fruitful? Yes, it proved to be fruitful. How? Because from that school, David became a good scholar. He came out with bright colors. He became a good scholar and he came out with bright colors. So it proved fruitful. Okay, friends, any doubt? Who was Agnes? Write her character sketch briefly. So for that, answer is, Agnes was Mr. Wickfield's daughter. Agnes was Mr. Wickfield's daughter. She had a radiant and happy face. She loved her father dearly and took great care of him. She was tender-hearted and gentle. She also guided David by giving her suggestions and advice. So this is the character sketch of Agnes. How to write? Agnes was Mr. Wickfield's daughter, and then you have to write, she had a radiant and happy face. She loved her father dearly and took great care of him. She was also gentle and tender-hearted young woman. She also guided David by giving her suggestions and advice. Is it okay? Next question. What kind of person was Dr. Strong? Why was he working? What was he working at? Now, we have to discuss about Dr. Strong. What kind of a person was Dr. Strong? Dr. Strong was bright and kind teacher. Answer for first question is, first in the sense, question number 5 ka first question. What kind of person was Dr. Strong? Dr. Strong was bright and kind teacher. What was he working at? Dr. Strong was engaged in writing a dictionary in his free time. Dr. Strong was engaged in writing a dictionary in his free time. Okay, friends? What was David's only worry? So now you have to write the answer. The only thing that worried David was the queer ways of Uriah Heep. See friends, if you don't understand the spelling, no, it's on page number 120. Refer page number 120, and now I'm repeating again the answer. The only thing that David was worried about the queer ways of Uriah Heep. Again, you can write the way he secretly kept a watch on everyone. Okay. What did David share with Agnes? This also answer you can find very well, friends. Now answer begin. It's on page number 120, last paragraph. David shared everything about school, his dreams, his desire, his feelings, and thoughts with Agnes. Shall I repeat? David shared everything about school, his dreams, his desire, his feelings, and thoughts with Agnes. So, that would do. Now, question answers, I think so, finished. We have completed the question answers. There are 7 question and answers, and we have completed everything. Now, we will be beginning with say true or false. I'll read one question. I'll say whether it is true or false. Then you have to write in your notebook. The trip was made to Canterbury to meet a lawyer. Yes, right. David Copperfield was Trott's grandnephew. I don't think so. It is only written aunt. So, best David Copperfield, child. No, it's wrong. Not a grandnephew. She was his aunt actually, so it is wrong. Second one is false. David's aunt was unhappy with the arrangements. False. Annie was a Dr. Strong's daughter. False. It may be true. Agnes. Annie. Yes, correct. Annie was Dr. Strong's daughter. Yes, it's correct. Yes. Oh, wait. No, it's false. Annie was Dr. Strong's Mrs. So, Annie was Dr. Strong's daughter is false. Uriah Heep kept a secret watch on everyone. Yes, right. So, only 2 are right. A and E, rest of them are false. F you have to write. Now, moving to question number 3. Who said the following and to whom? Spoken lines. Well, what brings you here? Who is the speaker of these words? What brings you here was Mr. Wickfield, isn't it? Miss Trot, well, Miss Trotwood said, it was said by Mr. Wickfield, line addressed to David's aunt या फिर मिस ट्रॉटवुड भी लिख सकते हैं आप, डेविड्स आंट भी लिख सकते. आई नीड योर एडवाइस ऑन द बेस्ट स्कूल. स्पीकर इज मिस ट्रॉट, addressed to Mr. Wickfield. Okay, you have to write in this manner. Try to complete, children. At the rate the doctor is working here, it would take years to complete a dictionary. It was told by head boy, line addressed to Dr. Strong. Even I feel little uneasy in his presence, said by Agnes and to David. 7 years have passed. I am 17 now and the head boy at school. This was said by David to the readers. This was said by David to the readers, addressed to readers. No one else he said that. It is for the readers. Okay. Choose the correct answer from the option given. David was first brought to Mr. Wickfield at the age of, you have to, at the age of what? I was delighted and so the next week she was taking me our answer. David, age of Dr. We were of same age as long as mine. Mr. Week suggested Dr. Strong engaged our head boy at the 7 years went away. I was 17 means 10 years. He was of 10 years. Because see, in the last paragraph he said 7 years went past. Means 7 year went past and he was 17. Means 17 minus 7 will be 10 years. So 10 years. Okay. Miss Betsy Trotwood was David Copperfield's aunt. Miss Trotwood's decision was to send David to school, send David to work, send David to an orphanage, send David to school. See here in this page, page number 123, send David to school. Then Miss Trotwood's decision, okay. The previous school attended by David was Mr. Wickfield's, Miss Trott's, Mr. Crickle's. The previous school attended by David. Mr. Crickles. Because see, on page number 119 he says, this was an excellent school, very different from Mr. Crickles. Means his previous school was Mr. Crickles. Yes. The school which was eventually selected was Dr. Strong's, Dr. Weeks, Dr. Crickles, Dr. Strong's. Okay. Okay friends, have you understood very well? Now we will move to the writing skill. See, in writing skill, Dr. Strong was bright and kind teacher, we said, who was greatly admired and respected by pupils. Now what is your idea of an ideal teacher? Give your views by completing the paragraph 8 to 10 lines using clues provided. A teacher gives direction to a pupil's life, an ideal teacher. I am of the opinion that a student should always be open-minded and think positively in negative situation also means he must be open-minded. He should have flexible views, well-disciplined and inspirer. He should be an inspirer. I strongly feel that just and impartial student can become a good motivator to other students. They must be understanding and must have a broad vision. Sometimes must try and tolerate a stern teacher. So all the points are covered. If they are not covered, you may add your own points and cover all the points given at page number 124. The points given page number 124 are positive-minded, open-minded, flexible, an inspirer, disciplined, just and impartial, visionary, stern, progressive, motivator, understanding. Let's now go to the meaning. पॉजिटिव-माइंडेड म्हणजे नकारात्मक सोच नहीं रखना, सकारात्मक सोच रखना. ओपन-माइंडेड मीन्स वी हैव टू वेलकम ऑल्स डिसीजन. ये नहीं कि भाई नहीं हमारा हो गया क्या बस अभी ठीक है रहने दो, ऐसे नहीं करना. सबको लेके चलना, सबके बारे में सोचना, इसको बोलते हैं ओपन माइंडेड. फ्लेक्सिबल का मतलब होता है कभी कुछ कम ज़्यादा रहा, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी रखना कि हाँ मुझे इतना ही मिला क्या, ठीक है मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम ट्राई करूँगा, या फिर ऐसे वगैरह कुछ भी जिसमें आप म्हणजे फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी किसको बोलते हैं कि कम ज़्यादा चला लेना, कोऑपरेट करना. एंड इंस्पायरर म्हणजे प्रोत्साहन देना. इंस्पायरर म्हणजे दूसरों को भी प्रोत्साहन देना. ऐसा नहीं मेरा ही फर्स्ट रैंक आना चाहिए, कभी सेकंड रैंक वालों को भी बोलना कि तू भी ट्राई कर, तू भी फर्स्ट रैंक आ सकता है. तो इसको बोलते हैं एन इंस्पायरर. डिसिप्लिन्ड म्हणजे जहाँ जैसे बर्ताव करना वहाँ वैसे बर्ताव करना. क्लासरूम में चिल्लाना, चीखना, पुकारना, इसको डिसिप्लिन नहीं बोलते हैं. डिसिप्लिन्ड म्हणजे क्लासरूम में क्वाइट बैठना, सुनना, टीचर की बात सुनना और दूसरों के साथ बोलना तो भी इतना धीरे बोलना कि दूसरों को डिस्टर्ब ना हो, तो इसको बोलते हैं डिसिप्लिन्ड. जस्ट एंड इम्पार्शियल. जस्ट एंड इम्पार्शियल म्हणजे न्याय से और बिना इम्पार्शियल म्हणजे बिना भेदभाव के. विजनरी. विजनरी म्हणजे देखने की सोच जो है वो ब्रॉड माइंडेड होनी चाहिए. आपकी विजन जो होनी चाहिए वो फ्यूचर का भी थिंक करके आपको आपकी सोच रखना है, आपको कि फ्यूचर के बारे में भी आपको सोचना है। स्टर्न, कभी कभी मुंह फुला के भी बात करना पड़ता है स्टूडेंट से, क्योंकि नहीं तो स्टूडेंट्स विल टेक फॉर ग्रांटेड टीचर को ऐसे ही ले लेते हैं कि ये कुछ बोलते नहीं है, ठीक है, इनके पास सब कुछ चलता है, ऐसे नहीं। तो फिर स्टूडेंट टीचर को कभी कभी स्टर्न फेस भी रखना पड़ता है। प्रोग्रेसिव का मतलब होता है आगे बढ़ना, उन्नति करना, अपने आप को आगे बढ़ाना। मोटिवेटर भी इंस्पायरर और मोटिवेटर वन एंड द सेम। मोटिवेटर भी वही होता है जो इंस्पायरर होता है। मोटिवेट करना म्हणजे पढ़ाई के लिए या जो भी काम आप करते हैं उसमें प्रोत्साहन देना कि आज नहीं हुआ तो बेटा कल तो ज़रूर हो जाएंगे, इसको बोलते हैं मोटिवेशन। अंडरस्टैंडिंग का मतलब होता है सूझबूझ, समझदारी रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है बच्चों में। बिना समझदारी के बच्चे कैसे फिर ये हो जाते हैं। तो इसके लिए ये सब पॉइंट्स का मतलब मैंने आपको दोस्तों बता दिया है। नाउ टेस्ट योर ग्रामर स्किल, पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव, सुपरलेटिव। तो हम्बलर, हम्बलेस्ट, हम्बलर, हम्बलेस्ट। पेज नंबर 124, पेज नंबर 124 है दोस्तों इसका। तो आपको ये सेकेंड, ट्रू, ट्रूअर, ट्रूएस्ट, डियर, डियरर, डियरेस्ट, प्रिटी, प्रिटियर, प्रिटीएस्ट, डिम, डिमर, डिमेस्ट, प्रिटी, प्रिटियर, प्रिटीएस्ट। वाई हटा के IER लगाना, ये आपको बताया था दोस्तों। डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन मैंने आपको सिखाया है। अगर आपको कुछ होगा तो अपन और एक बार वो लेसन पे लाइट डाल सकते हैं। जैसे आप अगर मैसेज भी मुझे कर देते हो कि वी आर इन नीड ऑफ मीन्स कंपैरेटिव, सुपरलेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव डिग्री के एडजेक्टिव्स पे और एक बार हमको वीडियो चाहिए, तो मैं आपको भेज दूँ। नाउ चार्मिंग, मोर चार्मिंग, मोस्ट चार्मिंग, यूजफुल, मोर यूजफुल, मोस्ट यूजफुल, लिटिल, लेस, लीस्ट। लिटिल, लेस, लीस्ट ये थोड़ा हटके वीडियो है। यूजफुल भी मोर, मच, मोर, मोस्ट होता है, तो मच नहीं आया इसमें, तो ठीक है। यूजफुल, मोर यूजफुल, मोस्ट यूजफुल। जैसे लिटिल, लेस, लीस्ट और गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट, ये भी थोड़ा अलग है। मच, मोर, मोस्ट, देखो मच, मोर, मोस्ट अपन लगाते हैं ना, तो पहले वाला मच रहता है, तो मच वाला लगाना ज़रूरी नहीं है। वो अंडरस्टूड है कि पॉजिटिव में मच है तो दूसरे इसमें मोर आया है और आखिरी इसमें मोस्ट आएगा। तो जैसे इसमें और भी है, जैसे बैड, वर्स, वर्स्ट, जैसे गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट है ना, तो बैड, वर्स, वर्स्ट, लिटिल, लेस, लीस्ट, ये सब थोड़े अलग अलग वीडियोस है, मीन्स अलग अलग वर्ड्स है और इनकी सुपरलेटिव, कंपैरेटिव अलग ही रहती है। इसके लिए आपको समझ के लेना है। वैसे अपना चैप्टर हो चुका है, तो इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग फन विथ वोकैबुलरी का डिस्कशन करेंगे हम। तब तक दोस्तों आपको बुक कंप्लीट करना है, राइटिंग स्किल भी लिखना है और पूरा कंप्लीट करके नोट्स भी रखना है। तो टिल देन हैव अ गुड डे, टेक केयर ऑफ़ योरसेल्फ, बाय बाय।